Hey guys, let's get right down to it and make you some money. The first stock idea is F5 Networks. I know you know the name. It's been around for a while. Well, I got to tell you something. They've come a long way from their original focus on application delivery controller. They've got tentacles now in a lot of spaces, about $6 billion in addressable market. And their architectures cover devices, networks, applications, fabric maxims. No competitor, none of their competitors have the same sort of reach that they have. They've got great partners in all the areas: networking, systems integration, cloud security, orchestrated applications. We're talking Cisco, IBM, Oracle, SAP, Hewlett-Packard, Amazon, and a whole lot more. Now, in the most recent quarter, revenues are up 19%. The company guidance was pretty good for this quarter. It was better than the street, certainly. I love the way the stock acted today. I've been wanting to talk to you about this one for about a month now. Today, I think, was the buy signal. Traded much better than average daily volume. And remember, this was a light volume day across the board for the entire market. 120, huge resistance. But beyond here, I'm looking for a pretty straight shot back to 147. All right, Danny, we're not talking about buying dip. We're talking about buying a major breakout on strong, convincing volume.
The stock was up today. And I do like where it's at. Cloud computing, I think that's phenomenal. I love the fact that they particularly have a penchant for security. And that's what all of the big telecom companies are always looking for. But 50% of their revenues come from overseas, particularly Europe. And if we continue to see stagnation and even reversal of fortune like in Japan, you know, that could weigh on their growth.
See, I love that aspect. I love the fact that there's a lot of growth potential in Europe. I think Europe's a great value right now, so I like the factor over there. I think business spending is only going to increase. This is one of my favorite tech stocks out there. That breakout today, you know I love breakouts, big volume. I think it runs to the 140s and tests the all-time high. So I think you buy tomorrow. You buy on this breakout.
Danny likes it too. She's just trying to find a butt. That's all. All right, Heatha.
I mean, they are dominating market share when it comes to security. That's another aspect that I liked a lot about this company. Revenues, again, $440 million up this quarter. Like that as well. The beta is a little high for me. Again, I'm sort of that. When it comes to beta, you know, again, I get a little nervous.
You can't rock and roll. You can't set speed records on a tricycle, Heatha.
I know.
If you want to have fun, if you want the gusto, if you want to make a whole lot of money,
you're right. For
you
young
got to
investors,
get on them high beta names every now and then.
For young investors, you need to start, you know, looking at these high beta.
And you're young.
I know, but for some reason, I just
Really? Okay.
It's a big company too, you know. It's got a giant market
and it's been
cap.
around for a while.
And it's been around for a while. So, you know, why not wait a little bit for a we're not
because it went sideways.
I think you missed the pullback.
It went sideways for months, basically. It's been working its way up, and now it broke out. This is the exact time you should be buying into this.
I think too many investors, and it's so funny because it's not just the stock market. We were just talking housing. I think too many people think they're going to pick the bottom on stocks, and they never do.
Well, you never
it's like a fallacy. So I'll buy it on the dip, and then it dips from 120 to 110. Say, all right, I'll wait for a 105. You know, I've seen it over and over again. If you want the stock, own the stock.
Or they think it's the beginning of a crash, right? Oh my God, it's 110. I'm not buying it here. It's going down even more. Yeah,
exactly. When you get the dip, you don't take advantage of it. That is the story. I know, buy low, sell high. We never do it.